Welcome back to my channel. This is IngeniousGiacomo. I'm sorry about my voice. I had a bit of an issue with my vocal cords. Anyway, start today. I'm a Black & Decker. Technically, it's a jumper. It's a car jumper, and but the good thing also is it does your tires. It has a little few more features. It has like a USB charger for your phone. Technically, I went to use it this morning and the battery was completely dead. Now, the reason is a bit my fault because I recycle battery normally used for alarm panels, because after 3 years you're kind of supposed to change it, although the battery is last 5 years, because you know one of the risks to have a dead battery with a fire alarm system. So I'm lucky enough to get some of those batteries, and the battery inside, like I say, went dead. There was the original battery, the one I put in, it was from 2018, so 4 years pretty much is the end. Oh, I'm sorry, that's the original one, 2017. So yeah, you're looking at 5 years as the end of his rope. Now this one is the one I'm gonna use. That was installed in 2018, so I have at least a year to maybe 2 years of life out of it. Now, those things are pretty easy to open. And let's see also about pricing. They sell at Walmart, and most of the time around 40 something dollars, less than 50. Once again, the weakest spot on all those is the lead acid battery. After a while they die, especially if you don't keep it charged. If it reaches zero, it will pretty much not take a charge anymore, like a car battery. There is some new ones with a lithium ion, but they're expensive, very expensive, looking at probably $90 to $100. So this one is like, as you can see, different screws. There's like 8 screws. I already removed them. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver. It's right here. To remove the screw, you go in, and then the lid pops open. Now, I modified this one a while ago. It came with battery with this type of terminal where you actually have them screw on. And I went to the traditional terminal like a backup power supply battery has. In order to do so, I took the original terminal and I just took a piece of wire with one of those connectors, peeled it, and twist it around and screw back the original screw like that to hold it. Pretty much what you see in there. Okay, so of course the most important thing, there is the plus, who's always the red. In this case I didn't have a red, I use a brown, and the black is always the negative. So the terminal of the battery is supposed to go that way. Now the battery is not really anchored in any way, it just kind of sit there, and pretty much the lid will keep it in place. So we got it. Now we go with the black terminal. I'm sorry, I'm filming with one hand and my hand is kind of damaged, but okay, make sure we got the red. Whoa, sometimes it's hard to remove those terminals. This is why I have a soft screwdriver. If I have an issue, I go in and kind of pry it open. So let me use my right hand, it might be better. Okay, that's good. It's in solidly. We put it in. Now we go with the black one. Red to red, black to black, plus and minus. That's one of the most important things when you change a battery. We're gonna put the lid back on, screw it on, and make sure those little jumper table thing, the jumper cables are coming out of the little spot where they're supposed to. And sometimes those things come off too, the little lever, but it didn't. So okay, let me put it back together, then we wrap it up. I'm back. I'm doing my final screw, so all the screws are back in place. I'm flipping my things over, and let's see what happened. Oh, okay, I might need to charge the battery, but it is working. Now this one is for the terminal for the battery, but also one thing I learned, there is always power to the terminal. So they're just on and off, but really those look like there is no switch in between these ones, the jumper part, and the machine and the battery, so they always powered on, so you know. I mean, the compressor is working. Let's see, how's my battery? Yeah, it could use a little charge because I had it sitting there, but I'm gonna plug it in and charge it. But at least it's working. I just need to inflate my tire. Now, very important thing, those batteries, you know, I buy them on eBay, and I get 2 of those for like $30. It was pretty good, $15 each. $29.99 including shipping. Of course, sales tax is now added on, but it's still pretty good deal, $15. And they also use on those battery backup supplies for computers. I have a bunch of those, and I refurbished quite a few, but I just ordered some of those batteries. Okay, thank you again for watching. Ingenious Giacomo. Please subscribe to my channel. Like I say, I saved myself today, since I got the battery for free, saved myself for 40 something bucks, and I have my little jumper and tire inflator back up and running. Thank you. And it's pretty easy instead of dumping. Most people throw them out and they buy a new one. Thank you for watching, and subscribe please. Bye. Ciao.